What's going on, man? It's the kitchen, and you see who we with, man. Without further ado, I don't got to introduce this man, This Mr. Ray Khan, Mr. Ray J, Mr. Business Mogul, man. And he's here blessing the stage with us and blessing the kitchen with me. So,
yeah, I see you got this laid out right.
I did what I could, bro. I did what I could.
You got it looking real classy.
I appreciate it, bro. Real talk. So,
real classy. Is that Kool-Aid? Because that's what I really want.
So this not necessarily Kool-Aid, but I'm gonna pull you up a little bit more. So it's lemonade.
Oh, it's lemonade. Okay.
So what we did was we actually, I put a little lemons on the skim, you know what I'm saying, so I can really get that flavor, along with some grapes, a little cinnamon, a little lemon extract, and I kind of let that cook for like an hour.
Okay, it's like fried lemonade.
Damn near.
Huh?
Look different.
You like it?
I love it. I put something together with that. So I let that sit overnight. Then I added, you know, the ice and everything the next day, but the concentrate of it, damn, it tastes like Kool-Aid, but it's healthy. You know what I'm saying? So
because of the spices that's in it.
Not necessarily the spices, but the flavor, more the sweetness in it, the aromatic. So
okay,
you got the suit on, so it's really looking like a whole campaign ad right now.
Look
so
like a fusion lemonade.
I like that. Let's try it.
Fusionade.
I
do like that. A lot of the ideas I do is not right, but this one is right.
I think it is, and I think we might be on to something.
Let's go ahead and get the domain.
Fusionade.
Right away.
Trademark. Now, that's us. Tell me something.
We try it again.
One more time. I'm gonna look away because I don't want to seem biased. Give me some adjectives. What you tasting? What's going on your palate?
I'm still tasting.
All right.
You good, bro?
It's good. It got a real like sweet taste to it.
Yeah, but see, that's not even sugar.
No, what is?
No sugar in there.
What is?
No, that's fruit.
No, it ain't.
That's edible range for you.
It's got some sugar in it.
That's fruit, right?
My little cousin definitely poured half the sugar in it.
That is not House 41. That is not the sugar. That is not what's going on.
This is bomb.
Reggie, I'm not lying.
So this is good for me.
That's healthy for you.
Don't tell me it's healthy for me.
It's healthy for you. We can do that all the time. That's
I'm pre-diabetic. They told me last night. They did. I'm 6.5.
You gonna drop the news on me like that?
Yeah, I am, but that's because I'm eating too much sugar, like gummies.
My boys
gummy bears stuff. Nah, see, I ain't there yet. All I gotta do is run. All I gotta do is run.
So that's Stone Mountain Proof.
Let me try this one more time to make sure I ain't tripping.
I'm looking away again. Let it hit your palate.
Damn, this is good. I
hope so.
You said fried lemons?
Fried lemons.
You left them in the pot?
About an hour.
Jesus, man.
That's what it do.
All I need is some ice now.
And that's what we're gonna do. And liquor.
No liquor.
You not drinking?
Not right now. Okay, we drinking later. But we don't wanna ruin the Fusionade.
No, we don't. But we can fuse it with something else later.
You could. It could be
I'm just trying to harp on those
Fusionade for the alcohol version.
So we got spin-offs and segments.
Oh wow, we got it. We getting money already.
Now I know you're not doing spice, so we're not gonna give you that. I do want you to taste some of this St. Louis. You know, I gotta put on for my city, man. We got.
This almost tastes like po-up.
So there you go talking about liquor again.
No. I
know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about the old wok.
I'm
talking about the wacky wok.
Yeah. You know, little Texas in there, huh? Yeah, you know. Don't follow the color.
Here's the thing, it's good for that because now you helping people with their addiction.
So we gonna weed them off? So we gonna put this in hospitals?
Don't weed them off. Weed them on.
I don't know what the hell is going on right now. I don't know what's going on. This whole
rolling out conference, all this creativity.
Shot to ride, man. I don't know what's going on. It's just,
we riding right now.
That's what we doing. So
okay, cool. So what's up?
Save a little bit of that because I just want you to take a bite of this, and I want you to wash it down with it. Now this again is St. Louis gooey butter cake. It's gooey butter cake, and this is our meal. You know, we only make this, and
it's a dessert.
It's a dessert.
Okay, cool.
You know, so we don't just use the spice, but
all that spicy.
Not necessarily. Now this is cauliflower.
What's this, broccoli?
It's cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
But it tastes like chicken. You want to taste something
too?
You want to taste something as well?
I want to taste the cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Say get dessert for last. Okay, I like that. You're being a connoisseur, right?
Well, I do eat my dessert first though. Like I got my dessert got to come with the
little unorthodox.
French fries and the ice cream.
A little unorthodox, but we're gonna do it your way. Let me know.
What's this called again? Gooey
butter cake.
Gooey butter cake.
Gooey butter cake, straight from the loop. I'm gonna look away again, cause like you're doing something. Let me know what your palates are thinking. Adjectives.
Give me time. That is good as hell, fam.
Hell?
As good as heaven.
That's what I'm saying. Well, God is dope. So good, heaven is good.
Listen,
Thank you.
when I ate this, let me get one more.
That's what we want.
Let me get one more to make sure I ain't tripping.
I don't think you are.
But taste buds go through different emotions.
Yeah.
So I want to make sure that my emotions are the most honest
Like you're on the
emotions
right
I've
track.
ever.
I really do.
Let me smack
I'm gonna give you time.
Let me smack. Let me smack it to taste better.
Let me know.
This is it.
Is it?
Don't tell me this healthy cake. Don't tell me this healthy cake.
I ain't gonna cap. That ain't healthy.
Okay, cool. Because that wouldn't be
I
right.
ain't gonna cap.
Now we about to make a billion.
Yeah, but what we can do is use artificial sugars, reduce cream cheeses, and make it to the point it is healthy.
This
and,
artificial?
No, we gonna do it. And seeing how I'm your new caterer, that's definitely what we're gonna do for you. I'm gonna make you a whole pan next week. Ain't that right? Tomorrow.
We move into the spot tomorrow.
Tomorrow. You see, there's some St. Louis stuff I tell you. See, I want to shoot a bag.
You
You see
can eat
what I'm
that.
doing?
You can eat that.
No,
You can
man.
have that biscuit. Is that a biscuit? Oh, it's the gooey what? It's the gooey
Butter cake.
It's the gooey butter cake. You can have that with bacon and eggs. Bacon, eggs, and gooey butter cake.
See, this you and this savory and sweet. You really like that.
Bacon, egg, and gooey and a sandwich.
Okay, so we
Ooh,
gonna make
a gooey butter bacon sandwich.
Are you nasty?
I'm out of here.
No, I'm playing. Yeah, hey, so hey, we got Ray in the kitchen. We gonna tune back in.
That's just too much.
Tune out for that gooey butter
Now let me taste the
bacon.
cauliflower real quick.
Oh, okay, my fault. My fault. He's hungry, and we're gonna get him together.
Yeah, let me get the cauliflower.
Let me know how to do it. Okay. Now again, that's supposed to taste like
What's
chicken.
that red stuff?
That's panko. No, this is red velvet waffle. That's a red velvet.
Oh, it's a waffle and a flour.
Yeah, so it's like a chicken and waffle, but it's a chicken and cauliflower. Yeah, because everybody don't like chicken. We got pescatarians, we got vegetarians. We got to make something for them, right?
I was trying to go chicken and collar.
So you still thinking of names? Let's
Chicken
go.
and collar.
Collar? Look away.
Let me try to figure this out.
You sniffed your food, so before
No,
you
I sniffed this because I wanted to make sure I knew what it was.
You want a sauce with that as well?
No, it tastes good. It tastes like, I mean, it smells like it got spices on it.
Yeah, it definitely does. Let's go out on the side. What do you think?
And that's a red velvet waffle?
It is. Don't look away. I don't want you to be biased. I'm gonna give you time. Let me know what your palate thinks. I'm gonna give you some more time.
I don't know about that one.
What are you feeling on it?
It had, well, it just seemed like it was not in my taste bud format.
So
It seemed like that wasn't, because a lot of people like certain different things.
it's very right. It's very
And
true.
it seemed like that was for a different taste bud.
Very much for a vegan.
It's for vegan.
It's for vegan.
See, I put it in my, I put it in my,
Yeah, and
I spit it out.
TV
over
Matt,
here.
who taught you that?
I just made it, first time I ever did that,
That was
I was
nice.
like, that's a cold.
Yeah, that's cold. Yeah, we gonna learn that. Yeah,
I didn't even see it.
yeah.
So, no,
I didn't.
you know what it
Oh,
tastes
okay,
like?
okay.
This is
Watch
the
this,
problem.
watch this,
This,
watch Like, yeah, see.
that's what's up, man.
Yeah, we do.
Thank you for that.
So listen.
This is what this is. People need to eat healthy,
They very much do.
and they don't want to.
They don't.
That tasted healthy,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why I had a problem.
Yeah, it's like Brussels sprouts for kids. You
That's
know
why
what
I
I'm
had
saying?
a
It's
problem
something we
with
gotta weed them on. But the fact that you were
That's
ready
the
to
best
do
dish
that.
to get though.
So,
But I want to go with the cake if I had
and
to.
that's what we're gonna
But I'm
do.
6.5. I can't do that. I'm pre-died.
No, but I told you I got the reduce for you. You understand? I got the artificial sugar, or we can do a low sugar, or we
But
can
then it's
do
gonna
some-
taste like a diet gooey.
We're gonna get
butter cake.
together. But we gonna come up with this later, because you got stuff to do, and I do too, and we gotta cook later. It's Ray J, we're rolling out, man. Tell you. The kitchen.
Gooey butter cake. Gooey.